retirement. Alam namin na ito na yung pinaka-aantay mo na time sa buhay mo para makapag-enjoy sa life mo. Adumit ti panahonin nga in sakripisyom iti trabaho. Nandito kami lahat na susuporta sa iyo. Buong family, 5 doors, lahat-lahat, kahit sa ibang bansa, amin da kami, nakasuporta kami sa iyo. Thank you Manong sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo mo sa amin, mga tulong mo, advices mo, kada kami aglalo kinipiya ta damit itayan yo ti anos yo kengkuana. Again Manong, thank you and happy retirement. Enjoy your life to the fullest na kunada. God bless you always and the whole family.
Happy retirement.
We love you.
Love you.
Happy retirement, anak ko. Dati pa nakadawat, ket sa ang laeng nga panagpatingga iti trabaho, no di ket panangrugi iti baro abiyag. Agyaman at iti adu nga ang anos mo kada kami. Ken customer, iti ang anos mo kanyak iti ni hospitalak. Mag-enjoy ka ngayon. More travels.
Day Tatay, today we celebrate you, not just another year older, but a milestone birthday and your well-deserved retirement. May this chapter bring you rest, joy, and all the things you love. You've worked hard, and now it's time for you to shine. Like bright like the legend you are. Maraming salamat for everything, Tatay. Here's to relaxation, happiness, and making more beautiful memories. Maligayang kaarawan at masayang pagretiro.
Hi Tito Eloy, congratulations on your retirement and I wish you lots of rest and new adventures ahead. Congratulations again.
Hello to everyone, especially to Mang Eloy. I would like to greet you a happy birthday, Manong. 65 years, wow. It's also a celebration for your well-deserved retirement. Congrats and enjoy your retirement, Manong ko. See you all this coming Christmas. Bye.
Hello po, Tito Eloy. Congratulations po sa inyong retirement. Ingat po lagi, God bless. Sabong soon.
Hello, Tatay. First of all, I would like to thank you for the unconditional love for our kids. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for just being you with a pure heart. From Alexis watching TV body to Aiden's broom body. Thank you for treating them as your own. Our kids are so lucky to have you both, ni Nanay. Me and Mike are so grateful for that. To Tatay, happy 65th birthday. May your life be filled with health and happiness. Happy retirement as well. Now you're on no tension, just pension era. You earned it, so enjoy every moment. Happy birthday again and congratulations on your retirement, Tatay. God bless you.
Hi, Tito! Congratulations on your retirement. Agyaman kami ti anos mo. Very well deserved. I wish that you go and explore the world. You deserve it.
Hi, Tita Eloy. Congratulations on your retirement. Your generosity and care have meant so much to us. Thank you for all the love you've given us throughout the years. We're so proud of you. We wish you lots of rest, joy, and adventures ahead.
Hi pa. Enjoy your retirement. Ag-practice kay tilami isen.
Tabarbaring
makaumay kay to dito yen. Nga agaywan. Wink wink. Love you.
Love you pa. See you soon.
Hello, cousin. Happy birthday and congrats on your retirement, cousin. So many fun memories. Now time for adventures. And we are lucky enough to have you in our family. And thank you so much for loving, understanding, and the unwavering support to my family, most especially to the kids. Now, wishing you a new chapter filled with joy, adventure, and good health. Enjoy your birthday and your retirement.
Hello, Manong. 65 and still feeling young. Well, dapat. And finally retired. Double celebration. So, officially free ko na kumangin baka siyami ti para luto kada para dalos itabalay. Nga ken para bantayen kadagitay mga kuliets nga ano. Ngem ayun gayam baka umadot manok mo naglaban kayo ni Doc NJ pusa kanya na. Nga ano. Oray tahaan ka nga naungit, so okay lang nga lumakay ka. Mayat day ta, no stress free. Ilang siguro pa kay stress am itan ket awan ti monthly salary nga maawat mo ni so nga dok ay sa akin alo. Takay ti makamuyen papang daw na nga malagip nga ko. Nga awan gayon ti kasanan. Oy, mabalined gayam nga agaramid kayo ti kamat-kamaten nan kada ay aywanan nan tapnod madina malagip nga awan ti sweldo nan nga ano. So Manong, you're one of the few limited edition tatan, so take extra care ta sa lunat mo, enjoy life to the fullest nga kunada nag-start ka travelin, continue traveling hanggat kaya pa. Hanggat awan tungkod, narigrigat ang travel na tungkodin na ana. Tapos, so, anak, ibagakpay. Thank you di anos mo nga kwasta. And cheers to a good health, long life, and happiness. Happy birthday, Manong. Happy retirement day.